Welcome to a place of peace. In this video, we will sit and relax for a moment, listening to the charming sounds of a koshi chime. Gently closing your eyes, taking a deep breath in through the nose, expanding it down into your belly, slowly breathing out through the mouth like you're blowing through a straw. Feeling your body connecting to the earth below you, relaxing your shoulders and your neck, feeling the bones and muscles soften. Bringing yourself back, gently opening your eyes, and allowing yourself to appreciate this moment of calm and rest. Be gentle and kind to yourself. Heart, Kiki.